Hi, I'm Dan Yampieri, and I'm the broker owner of Remax Aspire. I've been in the real estate industry for 21 years, and today I wanted to share some incredible opportunities that we have for you at Remax Aspire, which is a virtual hybrid Remax brokerage. As a part of our team, you'll receive unmatched support, cutting-edge tools, and comprehensive coaching to help you succeed in your business. We provide a collaborative environment with our monthly mastermind meetings, and we also provide one-on-one coaching for our agents. Are you looking for a brokerage that values your growth? Do you want access to top-notch marketing resources, free leads from Remax.com? If so, we might be the perfect fit for you. Let me tell you a story about Hanna, one of our agents. When Hanna joined us, she was trying to establish systems for a new team that she had started with her mother. With our mentorship and resources, she quickly became one of our top producers and had her best year ever with us in 2023. More importantly, she's on pace to top last year's performance. Stories like Hanna's are what make our team truly special. If you're ready to join a dynamic team that supports your professional growth and success, let's talk. Call me at 443-540-0018 or send me a DM to learn more. Remember, your success is our success. Let's talk soon.